Hi everyone, in this video I will share about how I track vertical credit spread like bull put spread and bear call spread using an option trading journal. A vertical credit spread is a popular option strategy where you sell and buy options at different strike prices to generate income. For those who are not familiar with this strategy, let me briefly explain about it. There are two kinds of vertical credit spread, which are bull put spread and bear call spread. Let's have a look at the example here. When you do a bear call spread or short call vertical spread, you make profit if the stock price doesn't move out a lot. Let's say the stock price is at $50. You sell a call option at the strike price of $55 to receive a premium. At the same time, you buy a call at strike price of $58 as a protection in case the price shoot out a lot, both with the same date to expiration date. You will receive a net credit when you enter the trade. On the other side, when you do a bull put spread or short put vertical spread, you make profit if the stock price doesn't go down a lot. You don't need the stock price to move out a lot to make money. Let's say the stock price is at $50. You sell a put option at a lower strike price out of the money at $45. At the same time, you buy a put option further away at strike price of $43 as a protection in case the price drop a lot, both with the same date to expiration date. You will receive a credit when you enter the trade. A way that I track bull put spread or bear call spread is using an option trading journal spreadsheet. If you want to watch my video on how to set out and use this spreadsheet, do check the link in the description section. So I will do an example here on how to enter a bear call spread and trade with my spreadsheet. One of the potential stock that is suitable for bear call spread is SPY or the S&P 500 ETF. As you can see on the graph here, the S&P 500 have been rallied since the early of 2023 and is now hitting a level of resistance. There's one level of resistance here currently at around 410 and another resistance here at around $432. So it is likely that SPY will be retraced after a strong rally for the past few weeks. So to do a bear call spread, I will sell a call option above the resistance, which is around 433, and I will buy another call at around 434 as protection in case the price shoot out a lot. So I will go to the option chain here and I will choose around 17th of March. I sell 433 strike price. At the same time, I buy 434 strike price call. So my maximum profit for this is $19 and my net loss is $81. I'm doing this as an educational purpose. It's not any trade advice. So I will record this in my spreadsheet here so that it's easy for me to trade. When I do a bear call spread, I'm shorting the stock. I expect the price to go down. So I'm doing this on SPY. Select my strategy here, bear call spread. I'm selling 433 and I'm buying 434 call option expiring on 17th of March 2023. So the break-even price is 433. Well, stop price as entry is around 410 and I'm entering today on 2nd of February 2023 with one contract. Net entry price is 19 cents. Buying capital is the amount of money by the broker when you take this trade. So my buying power is $81. So my net profit is $19 and my net loss is $81. So after you key in open position details and some risk management detail, you can get your risk to reward ratio. So when we do a bear call spread or bull put spread, ideally we get around 0.2 to 0.25 risk to reward ratio. After I confirm the trade, I just click send. So my order filled. So my order filled at 23 cents. That's how I track my credit spread using the spreadsheet. So you can go to the strategy dashboard here and to track your every strategy. For example, if you have a lot of trade here, you can filter out by ticker. Just unselect all and select the ticker you want to trade. Then it will show you how much is the profit you made from trading this ticker with this strategy, and how is the average winning amount, average losing amount, and the winning rate for this strategy on specific stock. So that's all for this video. This is how I trade the credit spread, boo-boo spread, or vehicle spread using my option trading journal. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and share this video with others, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Do check the comment section below and the description section below to find out more about this spreadsheet. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.